Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unpackaging to share with you guys. I'm really excited about this. I have put this off for way too long. I don't know why I didn't buy one of these a long time ago, because it's one of the most used items in my day-to-day life, alongside my pocket knife, of course. Yeah, I'm excited to open this up and share it with you guys. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, let's go ahead and get into this here real quick. Very excited. I was surprised that I could just go right to the website, because for a long time I just was looking all, and I'm like, oh man, I missed a drop again, over and over and over again. And I went to their website and I was like, oh, you can just order these right from their website. Tactile turns, you guys probably know what that is. Just in case there's confusion, these are the same folks, right? The Tactile Knife Co. Folks who brought us the Rockwall, the Rockwall, right? So really excited. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, the box is smarter than me. Here we go. Yes. Oh, so perfect. So perfect. I'm so excited about this. I know. I have literally never been excited about a pen. Never. This is truthfully the only pen in existence. Here we go. Titanium bolt action, tie-dam bolt. Yeah, these are US made, proudly designed, machined, and assembled in Texas. It's important, right? When people, companies say made in the USA, sometimes they don't actually, they mean well, we get the parts from somewhere else and then we just put them together like Legos here. That's not really made in the USA. This is really made in the USA, which is part of the reason why I really like this company. I think it's super cool. But yeah, I just went to the website and picked out my materials. I picked out titanium and then a little Timascus, the little bolt action button, which is cool. Oh, let's get that little thing off of there real quick. There we go. The first time I handled one of these, I can't remember who it was that sent me one, but it was a long time ago, and I thought, that is the coolest thing, the little bolt action thing. This has been around for a long time, right? These pens from Tactile Turn, they are not a new thing. They also have the one where it's just the button, where you just push the button and it goes back in. I've always liked the little, the little bolt action thing. And then we have this texturing here, which I very, very much like. Nice, simple, deep carry titanium clip. And then I don't know what type of replacement pen things. I'm not a pen person, right? If you're a pen person, you're like, oh my God, this noob, filthy, casual knife guy trying to get into pens. I'm not trying to get into pens. I just keep, I don't care about the pen that I use when I manually write out the schedule for this channel, which I do. Even I have my own schedule that I do on YouTube, but I manually write it out also, so that I have absolute control and so that I remember every last little tiny thing about what's going up when. And I'm always using a pen, and it's always a stupid, boring pen, right? I mean, this is pretty expensive. I think the final price on this was $122, and people are like, oh my gosh, that's so much money for a pen. Come on. Think about where we are. Think about the fact that this channel has 2,300 uploads. We should be past that, right? I don't care. This is just such a beautifully made pen, and I love that I could just go to the website and pick out what I wanted. Right? They've got less expensive versions, more expensive versions. I was real tempted to spring for a zirconium one, but I thought the titanium would do just fine, nice and lightweight. It's a full-size pen. I don't like little tiny pens, right? This is super cool, and I cannot wait to use it. And I got to say, it does go nicely. It does go nicely with the the rock wall there. That's just real beautiful. I like their machining that they do on this stuff, and they do such an excellent job. And, you know, versus the other competition that's out there, I gotta say, I think their prices are pretty good too for, you know, machining their own stuff in the United States. That's a pretty big deal. And even some of your favorite companies aren't doing that, right? So just keep that in mind. Got a lot of respect for these guys. Check out Tactile Tactile Knife Company. Check them out on YouTube. Check out their everything. No, they're not. They're not paying me. I'm not sponsored by them. I just really like their stuff. So, anyways, thanks so much to my page that I said at the beginning. I was about to say thanks to my page. Well, thanks again to my patrons for supporting me. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.